Now, if you want to insert a component in assembly means, you use insert component options to insert that part. Suppose if you already opened some of the parts, but if you want to insert that part in a current assembly means, just again select insert component option. Instead of picking that option, just select that components in a specifications bar, then click and drag it. You can place it in a current assembly. This is a simple option. Just click and drag it is enough to make an assembly. Every part selected from a specification tree, click and drag it. Just you can easily insert that parts in a current assembly and you can make whatever you want. It is not only an individual part, also you can use an assembly from already mated one. Suppose if I use mating some of the components in a direct mate. It is a general mating options. Just click a two cylindrical surface and make like a concentric. Again, use a width option to make it into a symmetrical component. Just use advanced mate option, select the faces, then select the first two faces in one component and again select the other two faces in other two components. It is a general mate option. Suppose if you want to insert some of the assembly part means, just select a control, click and drag it, you can place it in a current assembly part. Just select the existing part, click control and drag it to your current assembly for using your current assembly.